I'm going to do something a little different. I'm actually going to cook this in the jacuzzi. I know what you're going to say. That's a weird way to do sous vide. You're right. However, I got to prepare this a little bit. Now, there has been a little bit of salt in there from last night when I prepared this. Interesting. So what I'm going to do, squeeze a little lime in there. I think I need more. Should I put a banana? No, there's no banana that's going in there. All right. All right. What's next? Oh yeah, I should probably squeeze it in there like a normal person. Or abnormal. However you want to look at it. Hey dog. Okay. Where is it? All right. I'm gonna use my handy dandy thing. Make it a big, huge freaking knife. All right. All right. Oh yeah, let me get it in the shot there. It's cooking with Laszlo, I guess, or whatever. Yeah, that'll be good. What else can I pour in this sucker? Some cayenne, some salt. A little salt in there right now. That's good. Good. A little cayenne pepper too. Why not, right? And let's see. Okay. Little pepper. All right. Should have did it afterwards. Whatever. Oh yeah. All right. This looks good. I know what you're gonna ask. What kind of sides you gonna do? Nothing. I know that's a little weird, but we'll see about that. Okay. Okay. That's enough of that. Next thing, I don't have a sous vide bag. I gotta do this weird. But I gotta make sure. That's all I got. Just some plain old Ziploc bag. This is a flank steak, nothing special. You get what I'm trying to say. Some more salt in there. Never let salt go to waste, right? A little more pepper. More salt. Let's see if it leaks. It does not. I can throw them in there too, why not? I'm gonna let these suckers go to waste, right? Alright, there. Next thing on the list is I gotta fire up the jacuzzi. Watch me cook.